Hello viewers, and welcome to our channel, 5 Best Pick. When buying any products, it can be challenging to find the most value for money item. To make your purchase decision easier, in this video we picked only the best tools by comparing hundreds of products based on a few criteria and ranked them. For example, features of the product, manufacturer's reputation, value for money, and most importantly, user feedback. If you choose from this list, you can be rest assured that you are buying the best product. Please do check the product link in the description box below, and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to enjoy more awesome contents like this. So, without any delay, let's get started.
Our number one pick is Tineco Floor One S3 cordless floor cleaner. Tineco's innovative iLoop smart sensor technology detects wet or dry messes automatically and adjusts suction and water flow for optimal performance. Mop up spills in one swipe and leave behind a streak-free, clean floor. Vacuum debris with just a push for a superb clean. Suitable for sealed tile, laminate, marble, and hardwood floors. Hands-free self-cleaning feature scrubs rollers and flushes water lines, so you don't need to get your hands dirty. Self-cleaning keeps your device fresh, odor-free, and ready for the next job. Traditional mops, brooms, and vacuums can be difficult to clean or leave their own mess. The Floor One S3 makes it easy to stay clean. The Floor One S3's lightweight, cordless design is easy to take anywhere, for superb convenience. Take it with you around the house, up and down stairs, and more. Spend less time cleaning, more time enjoying life. Tineco app makes cleaning even faster and more productive. The app provides real-time performance monitoring, reminders, cleaning reports, tech support, and more. Voice assistance provides helpful reminders and additional support. Our second best upright vacuums is Dirt Devil Bagless Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Endura Reach is packed with powerful suction to tackle dirt anywhere in your home with the power of the improved Endura filtration system. A compact design with a quick-release wand gives you 10 feet of extra cleaning reach, making it easy to clean any mess, while the multi-floor brush roll cuts through dirt on carpet and hard floors. Enjoy the convenience of the easy empty dirt cup, which gets rid of the dirt with one touch of a button, and reach any corner with the 2-in-1 dusting brush and crevice tool. Consistently powerful performance on carpets and hard floors. Easily access the rinseable filter for quick maintenance that will help extend the life of your vacuum. Take fewer, quicker, and easier trips to the trash with the one-touch easy release dirt cup. This compact upright packs some serious multi-floor cleaning power in a conveniently lightweight design for an effortless clean. Clean higher surfaces with the flexibility and ease of the quick release, on-board extension wand for 10 feet of total reach. Plus, 20 feet of cord length to clean from room to room without having to unplug. Easily maneuver corners and tight spaces using the 2-in-1 dusting brush and crevice tool with convenient on-board storage for tackling messes at a minute's notice. Let's watch more. Third in our list is Hoover WindTunnel Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The multi-floor brush roll allows you to turn the brush roll on for optimal cleaning on carpets and off to prevent scattering of debris on hard floors for a more effective clean. Advanced multicyclonic technology gives you a continuous cleaning experience with no loss of suction, while exclusive WindTunnel 2 technology creates 2 channels of suction to lift and remove surface debris and deep down embedded dirt. The hassle-free 25 feet power cord automatically retracts in seconds, so you never have to wrap a cord again, and with up to 16 feet of cleaning reach you can clean dirt and dust anywhere. Making your hardwood floors shine can be a lengthy process. Begin by picking up small and large debris with the Hoover WindTunnel 2 Whole House Rewind Upright Vacuum Cleaner. Our tester gave it a 5-star rating for effectiveness because it easily sucked up all materials in just a few passes. While the process was extremely loud, earning it a 1-star rating for noise level, the vac was also very easy to empty and control. Let's watch more. Number 4 in our best upright vacuums list is Shark AZ1002 Upright Vacuum. The Shark Apex full-sized upright vacuum delivers an incredible cleaning experience in a full-sized upright. Equipped with Shark Duo Clean technology, it grabs large particles, pulls in piles, and directly engages hard floors for a beautiful, polished look. Powered Lift Away gives you the ability to detach the pod and clean under furniture and above floor areas with the push of a button. The self-cleaning brush roll delivers non-stop hair removal. The LED lights on the handle and floor nozzle provide visibility in dark spaces, spotlighting hidden debris. With advanced anti-allergen complete seal, dust and allergens are trapped inside the vacuum. The vacuum that deep cleans now cleans itself. Engineered for more pet hair pickup with no hair wrap. Dual brush roll system deep cleans carpets and directly engages floors for a polished look. Detachable pod for motorized cleaning under furniture or detach the nozzle to clean above the floor, on upholstery, furniture, stairs and more. Works with HEPA filter to trap dust and allergens inside the vacuum cleaner. Our last pick is Dyson Upright Vacuum Cleaner. The Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 has unrivaled Dyson suction, and is light to maneuver. A slimmer design allows the Multi-Floor 2 to turn on a dime, steering easily into difficult spaces. It's ideal for homes with hardwood, tile, and carpets. The Multi-Floor 2 has an advanced self-adjusting cleaner head that automatically adjusts between all floor types, sealing and suction for a powerful clean across your entire home. Its wand and hose release in one smooth action to make it easier to clean up high and under furniture. With hygienic bin emptying, there's no need to get your hands dirty, just push the button to release the dirt. Whole machine filtration ensures that allergens and bacteria are trapped inside the machine, not expelled back into the home. Dyson vacuums are notoriously pricey, and the Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Upright Vacuum is no exception. However, it is a wise investment because this vacuum has a self-adjusting cleaning head that works exceptionally well on hardwood, vinyl, laminate, tile, carpet, rugs, and other surfaces. For details, let's watch more.
The new Dyson Ball Multi-Floor 2 Vacuum. Unrivaled Dyson suction. Turns on a dime.